A pleasant day and a warm welcome from Pebbles channel. So children, we learned your Jolly Phonics, isn't it? Your Jolly Phonics, you learned group 1 and you learned group 2 also. You completed group 2. So when we learn group 1, you learn some words, isn't it? Out of group 1 with all the letters that you learned. So now today, the group 2. Isn't it? Group 2, you learned your C and K, then you learned E, M, R, isn't it? D, you learned all those sounds. So today we are going to learn some words, okay, some words with all those sounds. So first, what did you learn? What was the first alphabet that you learned? Yes, we learned C and K. Yes, you learned C and K. And your sound was K. Yes, your sound was K. Now, we will learn the words. Alright, the words. Some words are beginning with C, beginning with K. Okay, that is your sound beginning with C and K. Both the letters is the same word K. We are going to learn those words. Also, we are going to learn some words which has this sound in between. Not only in the start, but also the sound which comes in between. Okay, so first I will write down all the words for you. Then we will learn how to pronounce the words. Then we shall learn the spellings for it. So are you ready now? Okay, now C and K, and your sound is K. Sound is K. Now, your first one. Let's learn small words first, okay? So, it is your first word. As I am writing, I will tell you the word. It's cat. It's cat. So, in the word cat, can you hear this sound? K. Cat. Yes, okay. So, we are going to write those words. Now, first cat, the next one is cap, next word can, now cat, cap, can, cup, again we'll start with the same sound but only the letter is K. Kid, Ken, now camel, cot, car, next word pack, rack, truck, truck. Now duck, duck, shock, thick, trick, trick. Next word. Docket, locket, okay, once we finish the words, we will spell it and then I will tell you, okay, both the spellings. Check, bucket, black, crack, quick, chicken, rock, pick, neck, luck, okay. Now with C and K we wrote so many words, isn't it? Now see, some of your words will begin with C, that is your sound K. Some are beginning with K, again your sound is K. Yes, but can you see in some words C and K is there in between, isn't it? So that is what I said. Some are starting with your sound. The rest of the words also has the sound K in them. Okay, but when you pronounce the word, you will hear the sound K. Alright, so now first let's pronounce these words. Shall we go through the words? So listen carefully. Okay, cat. Okay, each word when I pronounce, you will know, you can hear the sound K. Cat, cap, can, cup, kid, ken, camel, cot, car, pack, rack, truck, duck, shock, thick, trick, docket, locket, check, bucket, black, crack, quick, chicken, rock, pick, neck, luck. You have more words, but now I've written so many words, isn't it? Okay, so now every word when we pronounce, did you hear the sound K, children? Yes, every word has the sound K in it, isn't it? Some are starting with that sound, but in some words you have the sound in between. Okay, now let's learn the word with their spellings. Are you ready? Now come on, see. C-A-T, cat. K sound is there? Yes. C-A-P, cap. C-A-N, can. C-U-P, cup. K-I-D, kid. K-E-N, ken. C-A-M-E-L, camel. C-O-T, cot. C-A-R, car. P-A-C-K, pack. R-A-C-K, rack. T-R-U-C-K, truck. So are you clear with these words? Cap, can, cup, kid, ken, camel, cot, car, pack, rack and truck. Okay, so you're clear with these words. Now shall we learn the next word? All these words, can we go to the next row? Now D-U-C-K, duck. S-H-O-C-K, shock. T-H-I-C-K, thick. T-R-I-C-K, trick. D-O-C-K-E-T, docket. L-O-C-K-E-T, locket. C-H-E-C-K, check. B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. B-L-A-C-K, black. C-R-A-C-K, crack. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. R-O-C-K, rock. P-I-C-K, pick. N-E-C-K, neck. L-U-C-K, luck. So what are these words? Duck, shock, thick, trick, docket, locket, check, bucket, black, crack, quick, chicken, rock, pick, neck and luck. Now these are the few words that you learn with your sound CK. The sound is K. Yes. Now after CK, now what is the next one that we learn? What is your next word? That is the next letter. What we learned was what? E. Isn't it? Your letter E and your sound A. Letter E and your sound A. So as you learn these words, now we are going to learn some words which you begin with your letter E, that is with your sound A, and also some word which has the sound in it, that is A. Okay. Now next one is E. E, G, G, egg. E, L, V, E, S, elves. E, the next word is elf. First let's learn the word and then we will learn the spelling. Okay. The next word is elevator. Elevator. Okay. Next one is enter. Enter. Engine. Elbow. Elephant. Elephant. Envelope. Exit. Pig. West. Bent. Test. Now, what are your next words? Rest. Vegetables. Vegetables. Next one. Bed. Lead. Red. Fled. EA. Earth. Eight. Egg plant. Okay, so now we have written all the words. Now first we will learn how to pronounce the word and then we will learn the spellings. Alright, your first word is egg, elves, elf, elevator, enter, engine, elbow, elephant, envelope, exit, peg, west, bent, test, rest, vegetables, bed, led, red, fled, earth, ate, eggplant. Okay, so these are the words. Now we will learn the spellings for it. Okay, E, G, G, egg. E, L, V, E, S, else. E, L, F, elf. E, L, E, V, A, T, O, R, elevator. E, N, T, E, R, enter. E, N, G, I, N, E, engine. E, L, B, O, W, elbow. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T, elephant. E, N, V, E, L, O, P, E, envelope. E, X, I, T, exit. P, E, G, peg. V, E, S, T, west. B, E, N, T, bent. T, E, S, T, test. R, E, S, T, rest. V, E, G, E, T, A, B, L, E, S, vegetables. B, E, D, bed. L, E, D, lead. R, E, D, red. F, L, E, D, fled. E, A, R, T, H, earth. E, I, G, H, T, 8. E, G, G, P, L, A, N, T, eggplant. So now these words, your sound is A, that is E, that's starting with E, and you also have words which you have the same sound in between. Okay, so you're clear with your CK, that is K, those sounds, those words, and E, A sounds.
Pebbles Kids Learning.